In this video, we will examine market share and how it's used to evaluate the market. The market share is the percentage of the market that is owned by a single firm. The concentration ratio for a certain number of firms reveals the combined market share of those top firms. The Herfindahl index reveals the level of market competitiveness. Let's go over an example of using market share to conduct market analysis by taking a look at this market with 7 firms with the following sales in the past year. We first determine each of the firms' market share, and then we can determine that the sum of the top 3 firms' market shares gives us the 3 firms' concentration ratio of 57.7%. Next, we determine the Herfindahl index by squaring all of the market shares and adding them together. In this example, the Herfindahl index is 0.1594. Let's take a look at another example, but this time with a market where 1 or 2 firms are clearly more dominant. The 3 firms' concentration ratio in this situation is a total of 93.32%. The Herfindahl index in this example is 0.5144. This index, along with the concentration ratio, reveals that the market in this example is not very competitive, unlike our previous example where the concentration ratio and the index revealed the market was moderately competitive. In conclusion, the concentration ratio provides an indication of the market power that is concentrated at the top firms. The Herfindahl index reveals the level of competition in the market. The range of possible Herfindahl index values is from 0 to 1. The range from 0 to 0.18 represents high competitiveness. The range from 0.18 to 1 represents low competitiveness.